Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous Chanel to show you today. So this is a Chanel Deauville Tote and it's just a real casual classic Chanel, and it's in this lovely springy summery powder blue colour, and then you can see this tweed fabric is in a lovely beige kind of beigey grey colour, and it's just a gorgeous summer bag. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got double top handles in this lovely powder blue leather, and then we've got those classic Chanel leather and chain plaited straps. So we've got double longer shoulder straps there, and then we have press stud fastened opening, and then inside the bag you can see it's a lovely big gorgeous space in there. We've got this leather strap which has a removable little Chanel pochette in there, which is really sweet. And then we have called this at the side here a bottle pocket. You can see that it actually goes all the way through, so it's a nice little flap to slot your water bottle in there. And then we've got one zipped pocket just at the back here, so that zip still works lovely and nice and smooth. And then on the opposite side we have two flat pockets, so there's one here and one here, and you can see just above that flat pocket we've got that Chanel metal little plaque there. So if you're used to seeing a serial date code sticker in a Chanel, this is a newer Chanel, so it's from the Chanel 2022 summer collection. So since 2021 Chanel stopped doing their date code stickers, and they have the little metal plaque with microchip instead of the date code, so that is why we've got that little metal plaque there. The condition of this Chanel we've called the exterior good. It is less than a year old and been used barely any times, so you can see that it is in a gorgeous condition. All those corners and the base, they've all got a lovely condition and they look really gorgeous still. There's no kind of marks or anything for me to show you on the main bag, but just on the handles, on these leather little straps on the shoulder straps, you can see there's a couple of indentation kind of marks on those straps from where it's been maybe resting on the chain, and a couple on here as well. So that's why we've called the exterior good. The interior we've called excellent. There's no marks, no signs of wear for me to show you on that interior. It's just perfect. Again, this little pochette is in a really lovely condition, so if I just unzip that you can have a look inside. Again, that's just perfect in there. And the hardware we've called very good. Most of the hardware actually still has that plastic seal on it, you can see just there, and on the inside as well, and that press stud, and on this hardware just here, even the little metal plaque still has that plastic seal on it, and the zip pull on the opposite side too. I'll show you that just there. But there's a couple of areas where it doesn't, so just on this part of the press stud here, and on the front, that hardware on the front, there's just a couple of little marks where it doesn't have the seal on it, so that is why we've called the hardware very good, but it is in a really gorgeous condition. It comes with the Chanel dust bag, so a nice big Chanel dust bag to keep it protected. And I'll pop that back here. And if you would like to know the exact measurements, this is a size large, but if you wanted to know the exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this exact Chanel on our website, and it should hopefully take you directly to this Deauville Tote. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. You guys love Chanel and I'm sure it will sell so quickly. So if you have missed out, all you have to do is let us know that you love it and we'll pop you on our request list. It's really easy to do that, just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll pop you on that request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know, so hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". And if you wanted a little bit of a longer shoulder strap, you can use those leather and chain straps, and it's just such a gorgeous size, or you can pop it on your elbow like that with those top handles as well. And it's just, I'll show you again that inside because there's so much lovely space in there. And even though it is big, I think it can be easy to get lost in a tote bag, but it's got some lovely organisation in there as well with those pockets and that little bottle pocket at the side as well. So if you would like more details on it, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter. Keep yourself updated on what we're getting in. We're getting in more beautiful Armcandy every day. So sign up to that newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any beautiful pieces like this one that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. All the details you need to know on that page, so have a read through there. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces like this. And we'll see you very soon with some more.